Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very quick, easy makeup tutorial, makeup look for you guys when you're trying to get out of the door really fast. You don't really have a lot of time, whether it's for work or just, you want to look a little put together and you don't want to just throw up only a little bit of bronzer and highlighter and just put a little bit of color and make it look like you put a little bit of effort into your look without really doing too much. So this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys like it, and if you want to see how I got this look, what products I used, please keep on watching, and all product details will be listed down below for you guys to make it so much easier. Okay, so I'm just lightly priming my eyes. I'm just using a little bit of concealer. And now I'm gonna go in with my contour palette. This is from Black Radiance, the True Complexion Light Medium. I'm gonna take the contour and the sculpt shade right here. I'm gonna mix them both together, and I'm just gonna warm up my crease just a little bit. Okay, so now we're going in with the Nubian 2 by Juvia's, and I'm gonna go in with Morocco, and I'm also going to work this into my crease as well. Not using a lot. This is very pigmented. Okay, and I'm really working in this Morocco shade. I'm also going to take Morocco and I'm going to work this on the lower lash line also. So I'm going in with Jezebel, which is a dark purple, and I'm going in with the same fluffy brush. In case I didn't say what it was the Morphe M502. And I'm just going to work a little bit of this right into the outer V. And I'm just going with a small amount and just layering this just so it's not too dark. Going in with this shade, I'm just going to work this on to the lid, but I'm only going to keep it on the first half. I'm going to let it blend into that purple. Okay, so taking the same fluffy brush that I used to put the purple on, no additional product, I'm just blending these two colors together. I'm going to try this color right here and just add this right into the inner tear duct. Okay, so when I'm in a rush, I'm trying to get out the door, I still want to be put together, I do typically skip out on false lashes. I just go in with mascara and just really make sure I curl them because I don't really have a lot of lashes. But I also skip putting mascara on the lower lashes as well. If you have time and you prefer wearing fake lashes and adding mascara on the lower lash line, go for it. Do whatever you're most comfortable with, whatever makes you feel the best, but this is pretty much it for the eyes. I am gonna add a little bit of highlighter, and I'm gonna go in with an affordable highlighter. So where's my brush? Okay, we're gonna take a really big brush because it's the first thing I grabbed. So I'm gonna go in with this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. This one is in Molten Gold. And I'm just gonna use a little bit and just highlight right here. I haven't been liking too much highlighter on my face, but just a little bit. And I'm gonna switch to a smaller little brush that I can't find. Okay, going in with a small brush, just on the nose, and just a little bit right here. You know, at the inner tear duct, I'm not really liking the frosty silvery shade, so I'm just going to add this on top of that. I like that a lot more. Going in with my Alamar Cosmetics, the Colette Blush Trio. This is medium tan. I'm just gonna take all three colors, mix it together, and then just work this onto my cheeks. And I also like bringing it up. And for my lips, I'm going in with Morphe Sugar Pie and Velvetetti from MAC. Okay, so that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.